Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix videos not playing on Reddit, you've come to the right place. So the main one and the easiest one method to fix it is just simply find Reddit, uninstall that, and once you've done that, reinstall Reddit using your Play Store. And that's all. The Reddit should be working. But if you don't want to do that, you need to click on three buttons here and make sure that auto update is enabled, and you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Reddit. How to find out if your Reddit application has the latest version? And this is really simple. If you open Reddit in your PlayStation, in your Play Store, here instead of open icon will be update icon. So just simply click on update, and after your Reddit application was updated, it should fix the video problem. If it's not helped, what we can do next? We can go to app info here, and here we can find storage and cache. We need to clear storage and clear cache, and after that video should be working. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.